Welcome to BandOfAnalysts, the first and only website where you can learn how to invest by watching step-by-step videos that show you how professional hedge fund analysts think about and analyze investment opportunities. In this short presentation, you will get a better sense of what you can expect to get out of BandOfAnalysts, who can particularly benefit from our proprietary content, and how. We will then give you a quick tour around our website. BOA is a premier educational investing website that, even though it has an educational focus on training its members how to invest based on fundamentals, at the same time it is very practical, as the skills and tools you will learn are applicable towards preparing for an investing career, which is why all our lessons are taught by professional hedge fund analysts with substantial industry experience. What makes BOA unique is the high caliber staff, the highly proprietary content, and the fact that it has nothing to do with the numerous trading scheme or get-rich-quick through stock market investing programs. No one can promise investment returns. All we can do is promise that you're going to learn. Our mission is to bridge the gap between non-professional and professional investors, which we're going to try to accomplish by sharing with you the knowledge and experience of professional hedge fund analysts and illustrating how hedge fund analysts really tackle investment situations. This can improve your investing IQ, but our mission culminates with also helping you become a professional investor by preparing you for your hedge fund interviews and hopefully a promising career in the industry. The core offering is built around regular step-by-step video lessons. You will effectively peek over a hedge fund analyst's shoulder and watch real-time Excel modeling or a PowerPoint presentation with a more qualitative analysis of a situation. Every month you will follow new analyses on some of the most interesting current opportunities. The videos are usually 20 to 30 minutes long and showcase one or more analytical tools and investment techniques, including, for example, how to source investments or different valuation and risk assessment analyses. In the end, you will also have access to all the materials used, including presentations and Excel files. In addition to the core offering, membership to the BOA website gives you access to a discussion forum where the community can interact with experts, and we will also organize little contests such as sourcing new investment opportunities or formulating an investment thesis, which will be geared towards learning, and you will receive feedback on your submissions. Soon we will be coming out with a regular newsletter that will showcase the results of competitions, industry interviews, and sector overviews, for example. And we are also working on guides in the areas of investing, interviewing, and career management. BOA is for all non-professional and junior professional investors who want to learn to invest based on fundamentals instead of looking at technicals or day trading, those who want to learn how to interpret what is happening in the markets and really understand what's going on, and those who want to stay current on some of the most interesting investing situations that hedge funds are looking at. More specific groups that can benefit from BOA include students interested in entering the hedge fund industry, perhaps without necessarily having to go through the investment banking program as a preparation ground, candidates preparing for hedge fund interviews, and CFA and CAIA and other investment candidates or charter holders that want to further hone their skills through real-life investment applications. This is the BandOfAnalysts homepage, where on the top left you find some information on who we are and what we try to accomplish. At the bottom you see some more information on what you get once you subscribe on BOA, and on the right you have access to a free sample lesson and an area to sign up. If you click on sign up, you're taken to the user membership page where you have to enter your account information and click join us, and then you have to submit your payment through PayPal. Going back to home, we can access the sample lesson by clicking on this screen, and you can start the lesson by clicking on the play button. You will notice up top that there are chapters for easier navigation, or you can navigate through the play bar. On the right you have the title of the lesson, Lumber Liquidators. You have a description of the lesson, a rating by other users, or you can submit your own rating, and the attachments which can be downloaded. You will notice as we go through the lesson quickly that it has part presentation, part Excel analysis, and part showing you where to get the data, either through the sec.gov website or the Morningstar website. We hit play and we start listening to the lesson. We can scroll through the play bar, or we can switch chapters. In the fourth chapter, you see we start looking at where to get data for our analysis. In the fifth chapter, we go through the 10Q. And in the sixth chapter, we go to the Morningstar website and look at how we can get data there, how we input it in Excel, and how we manipulate it to do our analysis. And this is all real-time, step-by-step, exactly as an analyst would do the analysis. We'll pause here. If you want to see what other lessons are included on the website, you can click on the second button on the navigation bar under Lessons, where you see we have 23 total lessons, and you can scroll down, go to the next page. You can sort by title, you can sort by date, you can sort by rating or ticker, and if you click again, it sorts in the reverse order. Or you can search for a specific company or ticker up here, let's say Citigroup. Or you can do the same if you simply enter the ticker C. And then you can click on one of the videos. If you click on play, it will tell you that you haven't logged in. You see here that you have to log in. Once you hit the play button, you're at the login screen. We'll enter a username and password. And once you're logged in, you're directed to the home page of BandOfAnalysts for the signed up users, where you see the BOA wall, where you can post your own comments or questions and interact with the community and the experts. And you see here past postings. On the right you see the latest lesson and the latest blog posting. Now that you're logged in, you can go back to lessons, search for Citigroup, and access one of the latest lessons. You can click on play and start the lesson. On the right again you have the description and a downloadable attachment. And down below you have comments and responses by the users. On the right further you have the blog postings. This is the latest blog posting and this is the blog archive. We can search by keyword, say for example government. And if you hit enter, you will get all the search results using keyword government. And further to the right, on the navigation bar, we have the Contact Us page, where you can send email to different accounts for different inquiries or use the quick contact message form. Up here, you can manage your account or log out. When you click on Manage Account, you see your registration date and your referral code, which can be used to earn credits towards your future subscription fees by referring other users, and you can change your account settings or enter new information. And finally, by clicking Logout, we will be redirected to the home page for users that have not signed up or logged in. And this is the end of our quick tour of the BandOfAnalysts website.